Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and now we are back with the new phone here, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna transfer shit from this phone over to this phone. Alright, so I'm gonna use SCRPY to record the screen because I think this webcam is on its last legs. It died hard in the last video, so we'll see how it is today. So I'm going to be using the Samsung Smart Switch app, so install that shite. Then open that shite and continue. So you're going to need to grant all of the permissions. Like so. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this with the cable. So fuck, I'm just gonna plug it out. And so I'm gonna use cable. Connect this phone to your Galaxy. Come on, boy. Alright, so here, oh shit, where's the search? Smart switch. Alright, so I need to grant all the permissions here as well. What should this phone do? This phone should receive data. And it's receiving from this bad boy and the cable as well. Alright. So I'm just going to use a random USB-C cable. So my phone, I'm just going to plug it into the side, because the side of this Asus ROG Phone 2 is faster, so it should transfer quicker. Alright. And then the bottom of this phone as well here, like so. Boom. Now, are you boys connected or what? The fuck? This is very sad. Yeah, I'm connected. For fuck's sake. Stop charging the fucking thing. This device, file transfer. There we go. Okay, good. Now I'm connected, I think. Alright, so this just does not seem to work, which is unfortunate, because it would have been a lot faster, but it is what it is, and it isn't what it isn't. So we are going to try Wi-Fi. Man, are you serious? Look. Why is it not working? Like, what the fuck? That is so fucking stupid, like, holy shit. Yeah, you're both connected to the same fucking network. D5. Yeah, same network and everything. Maybe if I disable mobile data. No? Alright, there we go. Just took a fucking year. Holy shit. Okay, whatever. Alright, there we go. So now it's looking for shit to transfer. So yeah, that's good. So I'm just gonna pause while this is attempting to do something. Alright. And we are back. So I can either transfer everything, which will be 400 gigs. Fuck's sake, I'm just gonna do custom. Cause like, fucking hell. I'm not gonna be sitting here for 4 hours. Alright, so. Yeah, let's do all by default. Alright, so we don't want any images or videos or music or documents. So yeah, 10 gigs in total. 10 gigs of apps. That's interesting. Oh yeah, actually, I probably don't want to transfer all apps or all settings as well. Hey, get over here. All right, apps. Okay, so yeah, I definitely don't want to transfer my fucking Asus ROG Phone RGB app to this thing anyway. But apart from that, and yeah, that looks good. Done. Okay. So yeah, what is actually in here? What the fuck? Oh, okay, downloads folder. Yeah, well, don't need that. Yeah, I'll just transfer the music manually later on. So that's not really important. Okay, let's begin the transfer. Copying accounts. Pretty cool. All right, so the accounts failed to transfer, which is great. Some of them at least. I just got like a nice notification here saying accounts failed to transfer and then just fucking continued transferring apps. Yeah, so far the experience has been pretty fucking shit. But yeah, I don't want to root this phone yet because you'll trip the fucking Knox and then just a bunch of bullshit. And if there's something wrong with it, Samsung also won't, give you your money back basically. So for at least a month, I won't do anything to it because then after a month, your kind of return window expires. So that's when I'll start rooting it and all that kind of shit. But yeah, if this was rooted, I could have just used Swift backup and it wouldn't have been this fucking painful to transfer them over. It would have just did it. So yeah. Yeah, keep screen on, why not? Nice button there, especially for me. Alright, well luckily this is almost done, so that's great. It'll be interesting to see which accounts failed. Alright, what is this? All done. Great. Organizing your transfer data. So, alright. Let's see. Okay, I don't see any new apps pop up here. So I'm guessing it's still working. 2 minutes left. Great. Was not too bad. Let's see if it actually transferred the apps though. Because I bet you it didn't. Fucking goddammit. So I'm just gonna pause this until it's done. Alright, so it seems to be done. Managed to actually copy the messages, which is nice. It didn't copy one app, it didn't copy YouTube. Download them again from the source and install them. Oh, you fucker. This said it didn't copy the, patched YouTube. Oh well, it is what it is and it isn't what it isn't. Alright, well, let's see if it actually did. Oh yeah, there we go. So yeah, all the apps are there. Now, did it copy the data though? So for example, if I go into my what the fuck is it called? Yeah, my smart home, for example. Okay, yeah, so yeah, I need to log in to everything, I think. What about Aegis? Surely. Fuck. Okay, yeah, so this is such a pain. I need to like log into everything again. God fucking damn it. Whatever. I'll just import the vault and then. Fuck. Okay, well, it is what it is. Anyway, so I think I copied this as well into yeah. So remember this fucker. Let's see if it meets strong integrity. Oh yeah, there you go. God damn it. Alright, well we don't need this shit anymore anyway. App info and install this bad boy. Okay. So yeah, I guess that sort of uselessly worked. It didn't really copy the apps properly, just literally copied the APK files, which I could have downloaded from the Play Store. What a waste of time. And I don't think even copied the network as well. Let's see. Yeah, it didn't copy the networks either. God damn it, man. So. Fuck. Okay, well. I guess don't bother with the fucking smart switch. It's fairly useless. I'm gonna fucking delete it. Just like download the apps again from Google Play Store. It's literally the same thing. So yeah. If your phone is rooted, obviously use Swift Backup. That is the best of the best of the best. Because it actually copies all your data properly. You don't need to fuck around with importing random shit, which I'm gonna have to do now. But yeah, it is what it is and it isn't what it isn't. Alright, thank you boys for watching. Bye bye.